Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, i-share ko lang sa inyo guys ang aking mini perfume collection. Umpisahan natin dito sa super cute na bottle na to. This is the Mushino Toy 2 bubblegum scent. Diba super cute ng bote, kaya hindi ko to binili guys. It came free from the big size like this. The Toy 2, Mushino Toy 2. I think they just called Toy 2, Mushino Toy 2. So, ito ka, ang laki, diba? Mama Bear and Baby Bear. Ito, malapit nang maubos. This is the one of the perfume that I'm also gonna report you someday pag may budget. So, yeah, super cute na bote. This perfume, hindi ko siya masyadong ginamit kasi hindi siya masyadong long-lasting. Couple hours, the most. So, yan ang una. Super cute bottle. And we also have this very tiny one. I think this is also came free from the bigger bottle I bought. Ano ba pangalan nito? This is the right here I have the bigger bottle from Elizabeth Taylor. Yeah, I think this is the Love and White Diamonds from Elizabeth Taylor. Did I see the right? Elizabeth Taylor. Yeah. This is also not bad, guys. I used the bigger bottle. Look at, ang ganda din ng bote niya. But I'm not gonna. So, this is the small, yung parang pakapin siya ba? Pakapin sa malaking bote. But, this also smell good. Hindi ko pa lang talaga nagamit yung maliit na bote kasi, you know, I use more of the other stuff that I have. Other perfume that I have. So, diba, super cute din siya. But I also love the scent of this one, guys. As you can see, malapit na rin maubos. But I'm not crazy about it. One of these days, I'm gonna take it with me when I go to work because I love taking perfume with me. Because in my job right now, I work at Walmart. So, I meet a lot of different, people. You encounter a lot of different, customers, so you have to smell good. So yeah, I take perfume with me all the time. So yeah, that's the second one. And I also have let's do this one. This is the Dolce & Gabbana. Actually, I think I will use it once or twice kasi hindi kasi siya spray. Mahirap sila pag kasi spray, guys. Yung dabber sila, guys. This perfume, mini perfume are all dabber. So, yeah, I have a Dolce & Gabbana. And we also have the Carolina Herrera. Yan, very small na bote. I think I got it from Macy 25 Days of Christmas 2 years ago. And it also smells so good. This one I'm probably gonna get the bigger one. I actually have the bigger size of the Bad Girl, Carolina Herrera. Parang magkapuano lang sila. But yeah, I have the bigger size. So, I have the Carolina Herrera. I think this is the original one. Diba super cute din yan ng packaging or ng bote. High heel. So, mahilig din ako sa sapatos dati. Nung hindi pa sumasakit ang paa ko. So, yan. Very, very cute, diba? Kapag na-empty na to, I'm not gonna throw it away. I love the bottle. So, pero puno pa to. Kasi nga, dabber siya. So, I only use a little bit at a time. So, medyo puno pa siya. And I also have this one, the Versace. Ano ba to? I don't have my glasses. Crystal Noir. Paano ba yun? Noir. Versace Crystal Noir. So, yeah. Ito naman, I think I had not used much of it too. I tried it before and I didn't. I think the scent is too strong for me. Yeah, it's too strong for me, so I didn't use it. I have this actually for a long time now and I still have not used it. Kasi parang, the scent of this is very, very strong. Not for me, that's probably why I had not used it because I don't like perfume that give me headache. Next in my collection is this one. Super cute din na bote from, saan ko ba ito nakuha? I think this is also from the 25 days Macy's 25 Days of Christmas, I think. I think doon ko to nakuha if I remember it right. And I think this is from what? Cacharel? Cacharel? Ano ba siya i-ano guys? I can't really see if there's a name in here. I think Cacharel. I'm gonna write the name a bit later because I don't remember. But yeah. This is also smell good, but it's one of the perfume that I didn't have a chance to use it yet. So, okay, next one is this one. This one, I got it very, very cheap. I don't remember where. Toka. I bought this because I thought that I would like it because I used to have a hair mist from this brand from Toka, and I really love that hair mist. It smells so good. It lasts for a long time. And I thought maybe the perfume would also smell good, so I did buy one. But when I tried it, I think it was like you put it on and then it didn't last very long. But I do have a hair mist. I don't know if I can still find the bottle. Let me go and let me share with you if I can find the bottle. I'll be back. Okay guys, I found the bottle. Look, it's very, very empty. I keep the bottle even it's empty because I want to remember it. I want to repurchase it. I want to remember the name of it. So this is the Toka hair fragrance Stella. Yeah, I can't find it no more. So if you guys know where to find it, please let me know because I really, really like. Look how it's very it's very, very dry because I really, really use it and I love it so much. So I thought that, this brand would be also good in perfume, but this one is not my thing. This one is Toka, but not the Stella. So maybe that's why I didn't like it. And this is Liliana, if I read it right. The scent is not for me. So I got that one. I might give it away when I go to the Philippines. And okay, what else? Okay. This one is the Replica Beach Walk from ano ba to? I can't read it. Maison something. I think it's a famous brand, right? By Maison something, Magella. I don't know. I can't read. I don't have my prescription glasses. So yeah, it's Replica Beach Walk. I got this from Sephora as a birthday, like for a 500 points. I think with other two skincare thing. I think it's one of those that I got. Yeah, this is actually smell also good, but I have not tried it how long lasting it is, so I'm gonna have to do experiment on it some more. So yeah, I have that in my collection, the Beach Walk. I'm definitely taking it with me when I travel to the Philippines someday because it's a tropical island, so we might need this kind of perfume. Okay, let's go to the Versace one. I have 4 in here. Oh, I got 5, but this is the Versace that I bought like by set, and I think I bought this set before at Sephora. This two for $18, and then I bought another because I wanted this small one, and I ended up buying with the partner the Versace crystal, bright crystal. So I ended up having 2 of them because it was in different set. And I want this one, I also want this one, and you know what I mean? And I end up having 2. And I don't mind actually because I also love the bright crystal. I don't mind having them because even they're not eau de perfume, they smell so good and it lasts like 4 to 6 hours on me. Yeah, they're babies. So I actually use some a bit, but I take them to work with me once in a while. But I use most of the bigger size. Look how big that thing is. I got this for like $100 something at Sephora a couple years ago with a Versace backpack in it. So look how much I use in it already. Diba? The bigger bottle is almost gone actually, and I'm also gonna repurchase it when I have budget. So maganda pag may ganitong size kasi matcha-try mo siya kung magugustuhan mo yung scent niya o hindi. So it's a must try guys if you love perfume. Ito Versace Bright Crystal. Maganda siya, subukan nyo. Oh, nahulog na. I'm glad it didn't break, so I'll pick that up later. I also have the Versace Absolute. This one I have to try it some more to decide if I will buy the bigger one of this or not. So yeah, because I don't think this is also my scent. It's mild, but it doesn't last very long, and I love perfume that lasts long. Maybe because I had not really wear it, so that's why I didn't really know. I don't really know. I think I used one, or I think I only dab it once. Yeah, see, as you can see, it's still full. I didn't try it much yet to decide if I'm going to like it or buy the bigger size. Ito naman, this is the Versace, ano ba tawag dito? Versace Daylan Turquoise. It's eau de toilette, and I do love it. It's also lasts a very very long time. So actually, I've been planning to buy the bigger bottle, but I end up buying the Versace Daylan Blue. I think this is what it is, and look at that. I use it too much also. That's almost gone. Dito na siya, oh. Sobrang ano na, malapit na maubos. Konti lang laman nila ba? Bottle also is very beautiful. Diba, ang ganda din ng bote. But compared to these two, I actually love the bottle of this one. So, if I have money, I'm going to buy the bigger one of this because it's also smells so good, and it's also, actually, I love the scent of this one better than this one. But this one also lasts me a long time. So, that's why I've been using it a lot also because it's very long lasting, and you get compliments when your perfume smells so good. Watch out for that if I'm gonna buy the bigger one for this. So, okay, move on to the next one. Let's go with my super favorite 5 here. Actually, these are really a favorite. Okay, let's get this one. This one is the, I think, what is this? Lancome La Vie et Belle. Yung may commercial si Julia Roberts dito, 'di ba? Sobrang nice din yung ano niya. Ako plano ko din bilhin yung malaki nito kapag may pera ako. Mahal kasi sila. Kasi sobrang bango, sobrang bango. Look at that. It makes me sad when I look at them and they're almost gone. Look at how pretty that thing is. Clear bottle. And it's very handy to take it with me. I'll just put it in my pocket, in my pants pocket. So yeah, I took it to work with me a lot of times already, and I just stopped because I don't want to run out of it, so I have to use a different perfume. So yeah, it's the La Vie et Belle Lancome. Very long lasting. Smells so good. Okay, my top 4 favorite, guys. I'm definitely, if I have money, pag mayroon na akong pera talaga, I'm going to buy the bigger size of 4 of this. These are the Hermes, and it came from this box. Okay, my box is a little bit dusty. Had not been dusted, I guess. This is come from this box right here. The Discovery set that I got from Sephora for $65 last year, I think, or 2 years ago. Yeah, super smells so good. I don't think they are all eau de perfume. Some of them are just cologne, but my goodness, they are smell so good. Okay, unahin natin si Twilly. This is the Hermes Twilly. Hindi ko ma-pronounce kung ano yung ano niya, guys. Let's see the bigger box if I can find it. Nope, there's no name on them. So, ayan, may name naman siya kasi hindi ko mabasa. Oh, it said Twilly the Hermes. Look at that. Diba ang ano, actually I have it in my next to purchase list. Yeah, because malapit na siya maubos, and I think the bigger, the 1 ounce is $100. $100. My God, I can't afford it. So, plano ko, pag bumili ako ng bigger size, after this one, because I actually already have I bought a bigger size perfume already, which is gonna be in our next vlog. Nabibilhin ko in a bigger size kapag may pera na ako. The Twilly the Hermes. Okay, next one is this one. So, this is the Hermes cologne, and it's almost empty. Super long lasting. Oh my God, I can't even explain how. It's a cologne, guys, but my God, super long lasting. Like all day and until the next day. If yung damit mo ba talaga, kapag kahit sa susunod na araw, you can smell it even it's in the laundry already. It's one of this perfume. Hermes cologne in red bottle. Someday. Malapit na siya maubos, kaya nakakalungkot, diba? This one is the Hermes. I'm sorry, guys. Kayo na magbasa, guys. Onardin? Onardin. Something Neil. Even I don't know the name, guys. I can't pronounce it. I know when pag bibilhin ko siya, alam ko kung ano yung bibilhin ko. Kasi yung bote, well, they have similar bottles, but, hindi ko ma-pronounce eh. The Onardin something. So, also, super long lasting. Yan, malapit na rin siya maubos. Nakakalungkot. But, I enjoyed using it. So, you only need a little bit. You know, the most important is you put your perfume somewhere like, I don't know. I put mine in the crease of my elbow, my knees, and then a little bit in my shoulder. Ano ba to? Eau de Marvel? Yeah. I take it to work with me, and I think meron pa siyang laman kasi dito talaga tinitipid ko siya. I only put it in the crease of my thing, and then right here a little bit, in the crease of my elbow every break time when I go to work. Tinitipid ko, sobrang bango, you don't need a lot of it. Sobrang bango. And when you put it like a one dab in your clothes, like me, like you know, in the shoulder area of your clothes, it lasts a long time. So that's our miniature perfume collection. I still got some of here that in my Calvin Klein. I don't know if you call this miniature or mini perfume. So these are also tiny compared to the bigger bottle. This is actually small. Yeah. My mother and daughter, right? Meron talaga pag ang perfume, when I love the perfume, I usually buy the bigger and the small. When I have the smaller size, and if I like it, I'll buy the bigger size. So that's what happened to it. This is also come from a set, and then I love it so much, so I bought another bottle. I think this is my second bottle already, second or third bottle, I'm not sure. So I don't know if this is considered a miniature, because this looks like a miniature. And this, guys, from Calvin Klein, Eternity. As you can see, very almost empty na rin siya. Every time I wear it, I also get compliments. So these are sprays. So let's do the spray miniature perfume spray collection next time. That's my miniature perfume collection that I just want to share with you. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully to see you in my next vlog. God bless you guys.